What's going on, guys? We got our hands on the iPhone 12 Pro and the iPhone 12. For those who are wondering what the differences are, besides the cameras, we're talking about color choices. And for those who like the bolder color choices that you'll find on the iPhone 12, which comes in black, blue, white, green, and red. Product red. Go ahead and get yourself a clear MagSafe case. Show off that color. Now, with the Pro, you got a different set of colors. We have Pacific Blue, which some of you may have to wait till November to get your hands on because that is Apple's most popular color. We also have silver, gold, and graphite. We will be putting these devices through its paces this week, but what I want to talk about is the MagSafe charger. I don't know if we should jump into the MagSafe charger before we go ahead and do the unboxing. So, Applejack, which one should we unbox first?
Let's do the 12.
All right. So, we are going to unbox the iPhone 12. And this one here we got in black. And that was the only color available to us. And immediately, this has got to be the simplest unboxing ever. And I'm not too sure if that peel was as satisfying as, like Apple's usually known for just great unboxings and having, the tension on the box and, that proper satisfying tension. And of course, we have the charging cable, but without a charging brick. If you want a charging brick, it's going to cost you $20. iPhone 12 Pro. And again, let's see if the boxing, no, there was nothing satisfying about that. Look at this. It's like the box already had its virginity taken. Like, look at. And of course, we have the peel here. And no, that wasn't even exciting. But you guys can see here, this is gold. Now, this will be my daily driver. And I know a lot of you are like, Gabe, why gold? Why gold of all colors? It was the only one they had at the Apple store. So we decided we were going to mate the gold with a black Otter case. Can't tell it's a gold phone. With the case on it, this is the clear case directly from Apple. I don't know. Applejacks, what's your opinion now that you see the phone in the case? What's your opinion on that?
I think it looks like you're like repping a company or something. It doesn't look like it's for MagSafe.
This was a bad call, I feel. Now, it doesn't matter what color you're gonna get. Obviously, you wanna show off the color, but then you got this ring here. One thing to worry about, if you do not have a case, you do run the risk of this charger damaging the back glass on the phone. So it's advised by Apple that you do in fact have a case. Also, for those who are wondering, if you're using the MagSafe charger, but the phone is plugged in via Lightning, then it will prioritize the Lightning charge over the MagSafe charge. Also, to protect the lifespan of the battery, if the phone overheats, the software in the phone will limit the charge to 80%. So that is something for you guys to keep in mind before you go out and purchase a $49.99 accessory. We went to the Apple store and we were looking for the wallet accessory, and the Apple store did not have it. And reading the support document, I feel like Apple is trying to mitigate any issues that may arise from the wallet. And what I mean by that is that Apple talks in their support document about how the MagSafe, these magnets here, can literally erase the data from your credit cards, your passport, ID cards to enter a place of business, where you work, that kind of thing. I don't know if that's worth the risk, and honestly, I don't even think your wallet should be attached to. I mean, just keep your wallets in your pocket, guys. I mean, trusting your phone. I mean, you really think about that. You're sliding the phone into your pocket and your wallet just falls out. Apple, thanks for the SIM ejector tool and not the power brick. I wonder how many pieces of aluminum is gonna end up in our landfills with this inclusion. I don't know, I'm just being petty. Anyways, guys, this is Gabe with ReviewDork. Make sure you guys like, share, subscribe, tune on in. We will be comparing the iPhone 12 with the iPhone 12 Pro and just really putting it through its paces. And by God, you know, I really don't care that this is gold. You can't tell. Applejacks, can you tell?
By the back.
You can't tell. But you guys also want to put a case on because guess what? It's going to cost up to $449 to replace the glass on the back of this phone if you so happen to drop it and the glass breaks. And I believe there's a little more if you drop the Pro. So make sure you wear a case. Don't live so dangerously. Wear protection. This is Gabe with ReviewDork. I'm signing out. Peace.